Okay, so for our second example, we have origin and 4, -7. Okay. Pero ano ba muna yung coordinates ng origin? Alam natin, but naturo ko na nung nakaraan, ang origin ay the intersection of the x-axis and the y-axis. And ang coordinates nun ay 0, 0. So, yan. 0, 0, tapos 4, -7. Okay? So, by using the formula, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, let's assign, makapal yung tinta. Let's assign 0 as x sub 1 and the other is y sub 1. Tapos, yung isang point, this is x sub 2 and y sub 2. So, by substitution, just replace y sub 2 with -7 minus 0 over 4 minus 0. And -7 minus 0 is -7. Tapos 4 minus 0 is 4. We cannot simplify this anymore. Ibig sabihin, ito na yung final answer. Okay? And by using the graph, pag pinlot natin yung 0, 0, andito lang siya sa gitna. Ito yung 0, 0. Tapos, ang 4, -7. So, 4 units to the right, 7 units down. Ito yun. Tapos, bibilang lang tayo. So, pataas. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, nandito na tayo. 7. Nakatapat na kay blue. Then, to the left tayo. Kasi nasa kaliwa yung blue. So, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Ibig sabihin, ito ay 7 units upward. Tapos, 4 units to the left. So, kapag kapag to the left, ang sign ay negative. Okay? Ibig sabihin, the rise is 7 over ang run natin ay -4 or -7 over 4, which is the same with this. So, lagay na lang natin sa gitna yung negative sign. Kasi parehas lang naman yun. Positive divided by negative will always be negative. So, ang rise natin ay 7, ang run natin ay 4. Pero, negative kasi to the left. Yan, pakaliwa. Okay? So, ito yung line. So, for the next video, I will give you another example. By the way, kapag negative yung slope, ang itsura ng graph pag ganito, decreasing. Yung sa previous video, kapag ang itsura ng graph ay ganito, it has a positive slope. Positive yung slope, tapos increasing ang graph. So again, kapag ganito ang itsura ng graph, pag ganito naman, okay, it's decreasing and the slope is negative. Just to give you an idea. Okay? So for the next video, I will give 2 more examples. Okay?